derivative of inverse functions. So here we are given a function. So we might be given in this form f of x is equal to 4x plus 3. What we can do is we can say y is equal to f of x. Okay, so in that case we can write this as y is equal to 4x plus. Now we have to figure out its inverse function, inverse of this. Now for that, what we do is we substitute wherever y is there with x and wherever x is there with y. So this becomes x is equal to 4y plus 3. And then either we can directly start differentiating this or we can solve it for y. Either way, it doesn't matter. We get the same result. So 1 is equal to 4 dy by dx plus 0. So which gives us dy by dx equal to 1 by 4. And finally, we can write this as f inverse prime of x is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, we can write this, but while solving these problems, I will not be writing it, but you should write it in that form. So second one, y is equal to 3x minus 1. Its inverse would be x is equal to 3y minus 1 and we differentiate it. So 1 is equal to 3 dy by dx minus 0. So we get dy by dx is equal to 1 by 3. So therefore f inverse prime of x is equal to 1 by. So here f of x is equal to 3x minus 1. Okay. So the derivative of its inverse would be 1 by 3. Okay. Third one. Y is equal to 2x plus 4. Its inverse would be x is equal to 2y plus 4. 1 is equal to 2 times dy by dx plus 0. Which gives us dy by dx equal to 1 by. Okay. Now, fourth one. Y is equal to 5x plus 2. So x is equal to 5y plus 2 is the inverse of this. Now differentiate. 1 is equal to 5 dy by dx plus 0. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 5. Now be very clear that this 1 by 5 is the derivative of this and not of this. This is the function, this is the inverse of the function. So this is f of x, this is f inverse of x prime is 1 by 5. Fifth one, y is equal to square root of 4x plus. Remember, this can be written as y is equal to 4x plus 4 to the power of 1 by 2. Now its inverse is going to be x is equal to 4y plus 4 to the power of 1 by 2. This is f of x and this is f inverse of x. Okay, now let's differentiate this. 1 is equal to 1 by 2 4y plus 4 to the power of minus 1 by 2 times 4 dy by dx. Okay, so now 1 is equal to 2 times 2 is 4. So we get 2 by 4y plus 4 to the power of 1 by 2 dy by dx. Which means dy by dx is going to be 1 by 2 will go down and this will go up 4y plus 4 to the power of 1 by 2. So which can be written as square root of 4y plus 4 by 2. Remember, x is nothing but square root of 4y plus 4. Right? So 4y plus 4 square root is nothing but x. So x by 2. Sixth one, y is equal to 5x cubed plus 2. So the inverse would be x is equal to 5y cubed plus 2. 1 is equal to 3 times 5y square dy by dx plus 0. So which gives us 1 by 15 y square is equal to dy by dx. But y is what? Y, so we have to focus on the inverse function, not this function. We have to focus on the inverse function. So this can be written as y cube is equal to x minus 2 by 5. And so here when we do the substitution, we get what? 15 times x minus 2 by 5. And if we take off this becomes cube root of. So this becomes square is already there. So 2 by 3 is equal to dy by dx. Okay. Seventh one. Y is equal to cube root of 4x plus 5, which can be written as 4x plus 5 to the power of 1 by 3. Now its inverse is going to be x is equal to 4y plus 5 to the power of 1 by. Now we should write it in terms of y, because when the final solution comes, we will have to write it in terms of x. So this would be x cube is equal to 4y plus 5, which means y is equal to x cube minus 4, no, minus 5 by 4. Okay, now we have this. Now let's differentiate. We can differentiate either this directly or this. Okay, they are different forms of the same function. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to 1 by 4 times 3x square minus 0. So which gives us 3x square by 4. So that is the derivative of the inverse of this function. Okay. Eighth one, y is equal to cube root of minus 5x plus 4. So y is equal to minus 5x plus 4 to the power of 1 by 3. The inverse is going to be minus 5y plus 4 to the power of 1 by 3. Okay. So now x cube is equal to minus 5y plus 4. So which means y is equal to x cube minus 4 by minus 5, which can be written as 4 minus x cube by 5. And now we do the dy by dx. So this would be 1 by 5 times minus 3x square. So this would be minus 3x square by 5. Okay, ninth one. Y is equal to 4x5 plus 2x plus 3. So let's write it, write the inverse of this. X is equal to 4y to the power of 5 plus 2y plus 3. Okay, now here it would be, tricky to write it in terms of y. So we will leave it as it is. Okay, so let's differentiate. X derivative is 1, 20y4 dy by dx plus 2 times dy by d plus 0. So we get 1 is equal to 20y4 plus 2 dy by dx, which means dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 is common, so we can take it out. 10y4 plus 1. Okay, 10th one, y is equal to x to the power of 7 plus 4x minus 4. So inverse of this is x, y to the power of 7 plus 4y minus 4. So let's differentiate it. 1 is equal to 7y dy by dx plus 4 dy by dx. So this would be 7yx plus 4 dy by dx, and finally dy by dx of the inverse function would be 1 by 7y6 plus 4. 11th one, y is equal to 5x cubed plus 3x plus 1. The inverse would be x is equal to 5y cubed plus 3y plus 1. And when we differentiate this, we get 1 is equal to 15y square dy by dx plus 3 dy by dx. And this is going to be 15y square plus 3 times dy by dx, and dy by dx would be 1 by 15y square plus 3. 12th one, y is equal to 5x7 plus 5x plus 1. Inverse would be x is equal to 5y7 plus 5y plus 1. So the derivative of this would be 1 is equal to 35y6 dy by dx plus 5 dy by dx plus 0. So this would be 35y6 plus 5 dy by dx, and finally dy by dx of the inverse function is 1 by 35y6 plus 5. Okay, 13th one, y is equal to cube root of minus 3x square plus 2x. Okay, inverse of this would be x is equal to cube root of minus 3y square plus 2y. Now, what we can do is, instead of taking it as 1 by 3, let's cube both the sides. So we get x cube is equal to minus 3y square plus 2y. This makes it a little bit simpler to differentiate. So we get 3x square is equal to minus 6y dy by dx plus 2 dy by dx. Now, minus 6y plus 2 times dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square by 2 minus 6y. We can take commonality out. So 2, 1 minus 3y. 14th one, y is equal to cube root of 10x plus 3. This can be written as y is equal to, or y cube is equal to 10x plus 3. And now let's figure out the inverse function. So that would be x cube is equal to 10y plus 3. And let's differentiate this. 3x square is equal to 10 dy by dx plus 0. So this gives us 3x square by 10 is equal to dy by dx. A 15th one, y is equal to square root of 3x plus 5. So inverse is x is equal to 3y plus 5 to the power of 1 by 2. Squaring both the sides, we get x square is equal to 3y plus 5. And now let's differentiate. We get 2x is equal to 3 dy by dx plus 0. So dy by dx is equal to 2x by 16th. Y is equal to 9x cube plus 2. So inverse function is going to be x is equal to 9y cube plus 2. And differentiating this, we get 9 is 27y square dy by dx, which gives us dy by dx is equal to 1 by 27y square. If you want, or the answer that you are expecting might be different. So don't forget that this inverse function can be written as y cube is equal to x minus 2 by 9, right? Further, we can write it as y is equal to x minus 2 by 9, 1 by 3. So, which means this derivative can be written as 1 by 27 x minus 2 by 9 square is already there. So, 2 by 3. So, the answer may be given in this form or in this form. Okay. 18 y is equal to square root of minus x minus 10. So x is equal to square root of minus y minus 10. X square is equal to minus y minus 10. So differentiating this, we get 2x is equal to minus 1 dy by dx minus 0. So dy by dx is equal to 2x by minus 1. So that means minus 2x. So that is derivative of inverse functions. So given a function, you have to figure out its inverse and then find the derivative of that inverse. That's it. Bye.